You've really learned a lot in this lesson, going from approaching unstructured tasks like population segmentation to creating features and deploying a k-means clustering model. Congratulations! The steps you took to deploy your segmentation model are steps you can use when approaching any other task. In our industry, often the most challenging step is the first one, figuring out what business question you want to answer. In this lesson, we gave you an example, which US counties have similar characteristics and what kinds of features define that similarity. Not all questions need machine learning to be answered, but for those that do, you'll need to collect and prepare relevant data. This step can take quite a lot of time and resources. It's also good practice to explore this data and see if there is anything notable about the distribution of the data or the different features. Once you have data that is ready to be fed into a model, you need to host that data somewhere. You can do this on your laptop by creating a notebook and saving your data locally. This is useful when exploring a small portion of your data. But for large data sets, you may want to upload those directly into a cloud storage such as Amazon S3. SageMaker allows you to spin up a notebook instance where you have the option of uploading and managing large data sets using an S3 bucket. In this lesson, you work with two different models. You train and deploy a principal component analysis model to simplify population data. This technique discards some information in the raw data and creates a few meaningful features. Then you use these features to train a k-means clustering model. After training, you were able to evaluate the model by looking at the model attributes. Finally, deployment gave you the ability to assign any data points to a certain cluster. And you could see which US counties were grouped together and what kinds of features they shared in common. And you did all of this from data cleaning to model deployment within a SageMaker Notebook instance. In the next few lessons, we'll look at more real-world tasks. You'll be tasked with some supervised learning problems in which you can choose to use built-in algorithms or custom models of your own. So, I hope you're excited to learn even more.